Hello, what's up? This is Chaitri from Technical Advisor, and today in this video we're gonna talk about how to verify your account so that you'll be able to design custom thumbnail and also upload videos which are longer than 15 minutes, like 5 minutes. Okay, so let's get started and go directly on the screen without any further delay. So when we go on the screen, we see that here is a custom thumbnail, and also the minute of the video is more than 15. So what you need to do is you just need to type youtube.com verify, and this is not something which is like you will get tick verified. That's totally different. Okay, so this is just to verify your account so that you'll be able to use custom thumbnail and you can upload more minutes of videos. So what you need to do is you have to select the country, and you can choose either one of that. I'll go with a call and confirm. And yeah, I'll just enter my phone number over there, submit. Okay, you see I got a call over there, and I'll just write down the numbers. All right, but if I'll go to the text me the verification code, I'll enter the number in the same manner, submit, and I'll get a text verification code which I'll use it, and I'll just click on submit. And as I do that, it has been verified, right? You can see on the features that require phone verification, it's done. So this is all about how to verify your account, and I believe that you have learned something new, and doing this, it will help you to unlock your custom thumbnail features and also help you to upload videos that is longer than 15 minutes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I believe that you have learned something new. So make sure to hit the notification bell icon, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because this will help me to grow as a creator and also upload regular videos so that you'll be able to learn something new from this video. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.